Tokyo DisneySea, Tokyo, Japan. Tokyo DisneySea, adjacent to Tokyo Disneyland, is a unique park inspired by the wonders of the sea and exploration. Its exquisite attention to detail and immersive storytelling set it apart. 5. Alton Towers, Staffordshire, England. Alton Towers in the UK is renowned for its thrilling rides, including iconic roller coasters like the Smiler and Nemesis. It's also home to beautiful gardens and a historic stately home. 4. Warner Bros. World, Abu Dhabi, UAE. Warner Bros. World in Abu Dhabi is a paradise for fans of DC Comics, Looney Tunes, and other beloved Warner Bros. franchises.